Top 5 German cars that haven't aged a single bit. Let's go. Number 5, starting off strong with the Audi R8 first gen. This car was released in 2008, so it's pushing 20 years now, and it still has that iconic V10. It still looks fresh, more than your friend's Fade the Bry. Okay, it has that iconic V10 growl, strong lines. I'm telling you, this car will never get old. Then number 4 is the Porsche 918 Spider, part of the Holy Trinity. Dropped in 2013, almost 13 years ago, and it still looks amazing. 10 out of 10, no debate. Then number 3, we have the Mercedes SLS AMG. This car was released in 2010. It's a 16-year-old car, and it still turns head here in Cape Town or Johannesburg like it's a brand new Lambo. Then number 2, we have the BMW i8. I know you guys, some of you guys hate this car, but let's be honest. Let's remove the electric stuff, okay? Let's be for real. This car still looks amazing even today. I'm not gonna say much on it. Then number 1, we have the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. I mean, this car is the perfect definition of timeless. Even cars from 2007 to 2012 in this lineup look like they were designed yesterday. If you see one in real life, you understand what I'm talking about. So there you go, top 5 German cars that haven't aged a single bit. Let me know your favorite German car.